Now I have removed the film from the pieces of the lower axle, and I'm cleaning the soot off the edges as recommended in the instructions. But I need to make sure I know where I'm going. What is the lower axle? Well, the lower axle refers to the rollers, which are the circles with the square holes in them, and the axle goes in the square holes. So I just want to make sure that I know where I'm going, so I'm checking the instructions and reviewing, making sure that I have the lower axle and not get it mixed up with the upper axle. So just let's review the pictures now.